The Audi A4 key fob from 2017 to 2021 uses a CR2032 battery. When the key fob becomes unresponsive or has a very limited range, it means it's time to change the battery. Signs of a dying battery include the fob becoming unresponsive or having a very limited range. First, locate the small seam or notch on the fob's back. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch. Gently pry the two halves apart, applying even pressure to prevent cracking the plastic. Inside, the battery is held by a metal clip. Use the screwdriver or tweezers to lift it out. Note the orientation: positive side up, marked by a plus or raised edge. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's seated firmly in the clip. Snap the fob halves back together until they click. Test the fob by pressing buttons within range of the vehicle. If issues persist, sync via the infotainment system. It is important to use the correct CR2032 batteries and avoid short-circuiting the battery.